Okay, this is on the Phillips job, number 55003, installed on 11/6 through 8 by Aaron. So come in the basement. We have a furnace room here on the back wall. So our new furnace, the back of the furnace will be same as it is now, 2 inches off the back cement wall, and the left of the furnace will be 68.5 inches from the 2x4 wall. Furnace will sit on a base, deck just as it shows. So Lance had me do this a little different than normal, so I have a cut line right here, and we'll just get rid of all this. And you probably have to remount this plug. Anyway, dark canvas, then we'll have a 90, and then we'll have this fitting, and it's going to go 2 inches inside this ductwork. So you cut it right here, but I'm going to make the ductwork so it's 2 inches out, and I'm going to make it 2 inches smaller than this duct. So it's going to go on the inside. And you know what, that just reminded me, I went up 2, so that fitting I need to bring down. Actually, this one I just need to go up 1 and then keep the top flat. Okay, got it. I'll have to change something. Anyway, that'll go inside the duct board, so you'll have just put some, I guess, heavy tape, and I'd duct butter over the tape for that 1 inch gap, you know, that you're gonna have there. Usually use a duct board slips, so it's the same, but he specified differently. Anyway, so 20 by 25, 7-inch filter box, drop just as it shows. On this drop, just cut line here, there, and there. And I did give you some 2x2 angles to stiffen up the sides, and so you can put one on the outside, and then maybe put a drive or something on the inside and then screw them together. So yeah, so you know your drop won't fall on tape or whatever. Anyway, that's that. Oh, so we're gonna add a return air back in this corner here. So to do that, he has come off with a 10-inch round over here, and he has us making a U-shaped piece of duct right here going up. So I give you an end cap, 2 pieces of U-shaped duct, and an end cap. Then tap that 10-inch pipe in. You can get rid of this old flue. I just cut it all the way up and lift up this cap and cap it up here. But he has to, we have a header here. He has to cut out the header. So you're, yeah. Okay, so next, it's your U-shaped duct, so end cap, a 60-incher and a 34-incher and an end cap. Okay, so next, combustion air. So we're gonna just put a piece of duct board in this over the old combustion air. You know, yeah, just use the old duct board you're tearing out for the return air drop. Not even maybe double or triple it up, just to, you know, the more the better on insulation. Or at least I'd put maybe one tight and then a gap and then another one. Probably be better. Okay, so the vent. So right now there's an electrical meter right above here, and I'm guessing that's why he's having us move these flues, but he has us capping these flues or removing them and running them out 3 feet away from the electrical box, which I don't really understand that, but you do need a 3-foot walkway up to the box. So to do that, we are going to, I made you an end cap. I put with liner, but I'm not going to build it with liner. You're going to cut some duct board and just put it on the inside of the end cap and then slide it in the little hole there that they've got mounted and just silicone it in. And run new 2-inch PVCs to flat termination 3 feet from the meter as per scope. So your gas, so right here, just a standard, what I always do. I think you understand my drawing by now, so I'm not even going to talk about it. 4 is AC, so run new line set as per scope. He says we could run it out the same hole and run it along the unit or come out here, which is making me think he wants to move the AC. Verify with the homeowner, he is not here right now, before you know what Lance talked about, where to move the AC. Okay, new 36-inch pad, run new line set. Okay, Snap Electric. Right now they just have a disconnect wired in to the main breaker with no breaker. So he has Snap Electric coming in to run a new disconnect with the breaker in it 3 feet from the electrical meter. Drain to the floor, standard order. Thermostat, Prestige thermostat. He has add wired outdoor sensor, but I mean, it just goes right here outside, so I'd run a whole new, you know, wire for that. Power, we use the existing box switch and cover. I'll give you 2 flex connectors. And that's it. Let me just go show you the outside real quick. Okay. So here's our furnace flues. Here's our water heater flues. Disconnect a meter base. So yeah, talk to the homeowner and see if he wants to cut out his little garden here to move the AC. So but I mean, this is Other than these flues right here, it's up to code. So I don't see any reason. Water heater's not dripping on the AC. Anyway, that's my thought. But, okay.